I chose the EMT course because I always wanted to work in the health field, and when I shadowed, it seemed like a great experience. The teacher was amazing. There was great props to help us, like this ambulance, and yeah.
EMT is a team of people that respond to an emergency, whether it's by behavioral or environmental or a traumatic injury. It's just a team of people that respond to something that was bad, basically. I really wanted to, just learn basic life support skills, life-saving skills. That's kind of why I picked this class. Just a little while ago, me and my class took a field trip to the hazmat fire department. It was cool. Yeah, I think that was probably my favorite part of this class. I plan to join the fire department and be a paramedic or EMT.
The reason why I chose to do EMT was because I really want to, take medical farther than this. So this is just a class that, helps with that.